Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to stop missing in Bee Swarm Simulator. To begin, focus on leveling up your bees. A higher level directly improves their attack and pollen collection efficiency. Also, increasing your bees' bond is crucial, as it unlocks powerful special abilities and significantly boosts their overall performance. Remember, stronger, more bonded bees are far less likely to miss their targets, ensuring you gather more pollen and defeat enemies with ease. Next, let's talk about optimizing your gear. Equipping the right amulets can make a huge difference, especially those offering accuracy or critical hit chance bonuses. Don't forget to use tools and other gear that specifically enhance your bees' attack power, making each hit count. For a substantial boost across the board, aim for the Supreme Star Amulet, which provides excellent stat improvements to help your bees hit more consistently. Now, let's discuss strategic field selection and boosts. Always choose fields with high pollen density. This ensures your bees have more targets to hit, leading to more consistent collection. Remember to activate field boosts and consume nectar whenever possible, as these provide valuable temporary enhancements to your bees' accuracy and overall efficiency. Utilizing these specific field buffs will significantly maximize your bees' hitting potential. Finally, consider your bee types and player tactics. Incorporating precise bees into your hive is highly recommended, as their unique ability guarantees critical hits, reducing misses. Also, your positioning matters. Move strategically to guide your bees directly towards flowers and enemies, ensuring they hit their marks. Maintaining a diverse hive with about 40 to 50 bees will also help cover various pollen collection needs and improve overall efficiency.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.